Good morning, everyone. How are you doing today? I hope you are having fun learning from home and you are staying safe. Today, we will continue discussing international economic organizations. However, our focus for today's class is on Economic Commission for Africa, ECA. But before we go to discuss in depth on ECA, let us look at our objectives. Number one, we want to give a brief historical account of the Economic Commission for Africa. Number two, we want to examine the aims and objectives of Economic Commission for Africa. And three, we want to discuss the contribution of Economic Commission for Africa to the economic growth and development in Nigeria. Let's get started. The Economic Commission for Africa is established by the United Nations in 1958 and has its headquarters in Addis Ababa, Ethiopia. The Economic Commission for Africa is set up to promote the social and economic development of the African nation. Now, the Economic Commission for Africa is made up of 54 African nations who are members of the United Nations, and they cut across 5 regions of the African continent, which are the North Africa, the West Africa, the Central Africa, the East Africa, and the Southern Africa. Now, what is the objective of Economic Commission for Africa? Number one, they want to ensure that Africa develop economically. They want to ensure the economic development of Africa. Number two, they want to promote regional economic cooperation among African nations. For example, they want to encourage free trade among African nations. Number three, they want to create, where possible, and fashion out economic policies for African continent. They want to contribute to the design and the implementation of economic policies on the African continent. Number four, they want to conduct research in the areas of production and technology to aid African economic development. As we know that the production techniques in most African countries and the technological level in most African countries are not being well developed, and the focus of the ECA is to contribute immensely in this area. And lastly, for that, they want to ensure the establishment of the African Development Bank with the cooperation of OAU, Organization of African Union, which is now the African Union. So basically, the ECA, or Economic Commission for Africa, is interested in ensuring the economic development of the African continent. Now, what is the contribution of this international organization to the development of the Nigerian economy? So far, they have provided technical advisory service to Nigeria in support of space information technologies. They have been able over the years to support Nigeria in developing space technology. Number two, they have also helped in the area of research and studies for the purpose of policy analysis and formulation. They have contributed through their research work to formulation of policies and implementation of policies in Nigeria. Over the years, they have also organized workshops, seminars, they have held expert group meetings and conferences to support our policymakers and economic drivers. Number four, they have established, maintained, and disseminate regional database on mapping, spatial baseline information programs, and training facilities. And all of this, to some extent, has contributed to the economic development of Nigeria. I charge you to go to the Google class and look at the notes that I've sent to you in details for more information. Where necessary, don't fail to do further research on the topic for better understanding. Thank you for participating in today's class, and we'll see you soon.